baby, you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, I didn't see what's going on, but now I know how bad it feels. Said if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on something, you should go and